Hey guys, and welcome back to plumbingpartspro.com. Have you had an issue getting the water adjusted on your shower faucet? Maybe it's a little too hot or a little too cold and you can't quite get it adjusted right. You think maybe something's wrong with the faucet. Check out the video coming up next. Alright, so today we're talking about shower faucets not quite getting hot enough for your showers. You may turn that faucet on and you're just getting a warm water or it never seems to get hot. There's adjustments in the faucet, but most of the time it's an issue with the pressure balance mechanism. Back in the 90s, they regulated all single lever shower faucets have to be pressure balanced. And if you have an older home, as a kid, you would know that sometimes when you flush the toilet, it would rob all that cold water from the shower and you would get burned, or someone's doing laundry and it robs that cold water. So this prevents that. It keeps an equal balance on either side of the incoming hot and cold water lines to keep a balanced shower, balanced pressure and temperature to prevent any injuries. So that's usually what the problem is. Most of your faucets have it these days. Today we're going to talk about the Kohler. So Kohler is probably one of the top manufacturers of shower faucets. It's kind of like Kohler and Delta. It's almost like Ford and Chevrolet, your biggest names in the industry. So what the Kohler pressure balance mechanism looks like is right here. It's a little black control here. I'm going to zoom in on it here. And what it does, there is a balancing spool that is inside here and it fluctuates back and forth. And when you have the hot and the cold water coming in, it keeps it balanced. So what it does is it gets stuck in one position. It doesn't flow back and forth. So if it's stuck in one side, you may get all hot water scalding or all cold water and you just can't get a comfortable shower. That's usually where this comes in play. It's usually a two-part section. You'll have something that looks kind of like this. We'll talk about these in another video. There's multiple options, I think 3 options for the front section. This is what you replace when it drips. This is what you replace if you're having an issue with hot and cold water. And these made up like this. And that's what goes into your wall. There's gaskets that go in between there. O-rings on the back side. There's a square cut gasket that goes in the front here. That is included in the kit. And you'll see these square cut washers and then the O-rings and a little bit of grease. They've actually recently changed this model. This is the Kohler GP 500520. They've actually replaced it and discontinued this one. I'll put a link in the description or in the iCard up top for the new model. It's a GP 800820. But this is really what you need to do is when you take that faucet apart, take the handle off, cut the water off of course, remove that cover plate, 2 screws, pull the cover plate off, and then you're going to see that front section. Alright, take the screws out, pull this off, and this is what you'll see. If you take a pair of pliers, just reach in there, grab it, pull it right out, and then replace it with the new part. Reassemble, and everything should be good to go. However, some of my contractors I've dealt with for a long time, when they replace this section and they reassemble it, sometimes you disturb things within this and it starts leaking. They end up having to call me up and order this part as well and replace both sections. If you're going to go into the faucet, just do it one time and get it all done. I do carry a generic part for this. This is about a $50 part, ballpark. I do carry a generic one for about $34, I believe. So the generic one works really well. You guys, if you have any questions, certainly give me a comment below. I answer my comments pretty quick. Give me an email, info@plumbingpartspro.com. Our staff is here to help you for anything you need. And subscribe if you hadn't done so already. We appreciate you being here, and thanks for watching.